Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be fitting indestructible mirrors to my Tiger 800. So yes, these are meant to be indestructible mirrors for ADV bikes. They arrived this morning in a jiffy bag. So these are the Doubletake mirrors. These are meant to be indestructible and designed for use on ADV bikes. I bought a double pack, so I got 2 mirrors, the stems, and a selection of mounts and adapters to fit different bikes. They say that these will fit most bikes, but some are going to need adapters. I know for the Triumph 800 that there are adapters in here that will work. On the Triumph the threads are M10 by 1.25. Certainly on the older models they're both right hand threads. So and even more stickers in with the actual mirrors themselves. Guess they're meant to go in there. Anyway, these are the actual mirrors themselves. They have a 1-inch ball on the inside, so standard RAM style ball. A hard plastic case, which gives quite a lot of protection to that mirror glass. According to the instructions, it should be a simple case of removing the old mirrors, getting the right adapter, assembling the new mirrors and putting them on. So let's get on with it, shall we? As you can see, I've actually got 2 Tigers in the garage now. One is mine and one is my partner's. Mine is the older one of the 2. Mine's a 2013. My partner Sophie, hers is a 2018. And the mirror mounts are actually slightly different between the 2. I'm going to be fitting these onto my bike, which is the 2013. 2018 should be very similar. The threads are the same, but the spanner sizes are different to take the mirrors on and off. So all I'm going to do is lift the rubbers up on the existing mirrors. That will expose the mount on both sides. And on my older bike, the size of this nut is 22mm, so 22mm spanner. And undo the mirrors. I have to move my screen up out of the way. That's one. Around the other side and do the other one. Now on some bikes you may find that one side's a left-hand thread, which will undo clockwise rather than counterclockwise. You'll have to see what your particular bike is like. On mine at least, they're both right-hand threads. So undo in the normal way, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. So now all I need to do is find the right adapter amongst the ones that have been supplied so that I can fit these to the bike. I can tell that one of them is definitely not right because this one has a left-hand thread. I can tell that just by looking at it. And this is an M10 by 1.25 left-hand thread, so this will fit a multitude of other bikes. A very common thread for mirrors. That leaves me with 4 different adapters. They're all M10, they're all right-hand thread, but they are different pitches. And I know that I need the finer pitch ones for the Triumph. So that rules out 3 of the 5 adapters that came with the kit. These 2 are both the same. So let's see if I've guessed correctly. So that one goes straight in there. That one in there. So that's our adapters fitted to both sides. So I'll just tighten those up with a spanner, and it's a 16mm for these. Not going to go too mad with those. Then these are the balls which then screw into those adapters. There's no flats on these to do them up tight, so I'm going to put a little bit of thread lock on those before I screw them into the adapters, just so that they don't come undone. It's my thread lock of choice, Loctite 243, which is a medium strength Loctite. Just need a little bit in the thread. And using this means that I can just do these up as tight as I can by hand, and they won't come out or vibrate loose when I'm riding off-road. But should I ever need to get them apart, then I will be able to, the application of a little bit of heat. So that's the adapters fitted to both sides, nice and easy. So each side then has a ram extension and the actual mirror body itself. So I'll just get these put on here. Roughly for now. And then we'll do the other side as well. And there we go, Doubletake mirrors fitted to my Triumph Tiger 800. We'll soon find out how indestructible they are when I take the bike off-road and inevitably drop it. The idea is that you can either fold these up out of the way so that they're inside the bike, so that if you're riding off-road, if you do drop the bike, they're well inside any crash protection that you have, or because they're on ball and socket mounts, they just get knocked out of the way without breaking anything. All in all, these Doubletake mirrors are a really easy fit. Not sure whether I can recommend them yet because I haven't taken the bike off-road with them on yet. We'll soon find out. I've got lots of off-road planned in the next few weeks, and I will inevitably drop it while I'm doing that, so we'll soon find out how resilient they are. Doubletake say that these will fit most bikes made in the last kind of 20 years, most adventure bikes, without any extra adapters, but there are a few known ones that need adapters and they are listed on their website. So I'll pop some links in the description down below to the Doubletake mirrors, the Amazon listing where I bought them from, if you're interested in fitting a set on your own bike, and I will post a longer term review on these after I've taken the bike off-road a few times and dropped it a few times to see how well they're holding up. For now, that's it. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below, check back next week for more new content. Until then, get on those bikes and enjoy them, ride safe, and I'll see you again soon.